With thousands of people flocking to the polling stations yesterday, new surprising issues are being reported in the Somaliland elections. The turnout was long, with many women casting their voices at the ballots. In one of Hargeisa's neighborhoods, a woman who wanted to vote has given birth to a baby boy while in line. The mother was visited at the birthplace by one of the candidates in the neighborhood where she was voting and named her son after him. The mother gave birth in the Dami neighborhood care. A mother in the voting queue who wants to cast her vote for me has just given birth in Dami kindergarten. She gave birth to a boy and named him Barkid, candidate runner Barkid Batu posted in his social media. Wadani Party spokesman Barkid Batu is one of the candidates for the House of Representatives and is widely believed to have won the seat and has been one of the main strong campaigners in recent days. This election, which has been postponed twice in the past, marks the seventh in Somaliland since it declared independence from the rest of Somalia 30 years ago. For the first time, members of Somaliland's minorities are running in the highly contested municipality elections in Somaliland.